Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix an American Express payment declined issue in just a few steps. First, check your available balance or credit limit. Sometimes the decline happens simply because you've reached your limit. Next, confirm that your card details like the number, expiration date, and security code are entered correctly, especially if you're paying online. If everything looks fine, log in to your Amex account or app and check for any alerts or security blocks. American Express may decline payments to protect you from suspicious activity. If you see a message like "Transaction blocked," verify it's you and approve the charge. Also, make sure your billing address matches the one registered with your Amex account. Even small mismatches can trigger declines. If the issue continues, call the number on the back of your card and ask Amex support to review the transaction. They can lift any temporary holds or security restrictions. That's it. Follow these steps and your American Express payment should go through smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.